This video is about how to create skirting manually. As you see here, the room skirting is only applicable to walls, not on any other objects away from the wall. Let's go into ceiling module. Click on the floor, platform design. The square here indicates the column. Click on it and edit here. Then select the skirting style from closed edges. Then drag it out and put it here. Okay, move it down. Alright. We have the skirting already. Okay, let's try another one. Click on the style. You may edit the size here. Okay, now I'm just gonna make the same skirting on the walls. Draw region according to the room shape. Then edit and drag the same skirting style onto the region. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.